Recommended use. Recommended for ages 3, holds up to 50 pounds. For Minnie fans, this fun chair desk features colorful graphics of Minnie Mouse, ideal for homeschooling or remote learning. Kid-friendly design. Desk sits low to the ground for easy access. Size, assembled dimensions, 20.47 L x 22.83 W x 23.23 H. Tons of storage. Desk features pull-out storage bin under the seat that provides ample space for toys, art supplies and more. Built-in cup holder is ideal for art supplies. Durable construction. Made of engineered wood and fabric built to withstand years of use. Scratch-resistant finish protects the colorful graphics. Wipes clean easily with dry cloth. Top reviews from the United States. Great for the price. Fairly easy to assemble. It took about an hour. So far, my kids love their desks. They're ages 3.5 and almost 2, and these desks are just the right size.